Hey guys, welcome back. Antonio, Howl and Hammer, DIY Adventures with Paul once again. Quick tutorial again today. Unclogging drains. Happens all the time. I have so many clients, you know. If I gave them my secret, I'd never have any work, but it's really not much of a secret. It's actually pretty easy. It's just a matter of putting everything back together properly. So I'm going to show you this little J-trap. People always complain that their sinks are backing up because the wife, you know, all of her hair and everything like that, you know, that keeps falling into the sink and it washes down into the J-trap. So let me show you real quick exactly what you got to do. So there we go, right there. There's your J-trap, okay? You get a pair of channel locks, you disconnect those nuts. You're going to have some water in that J-trap there, and you're going to want to put a little container down below there. But just by unscrewing those nuts there on the J-trap, you're going to find that everything gets kind of bound up inside where the plunger is. Everything gets caught right in here. This is a just a plunger style pop-up. But everything gets caught right in that little grid right there. And all the hair gets backed up and then it kind of gets stuck down into the J-trap. So by taking off the J-trap, unclogging everything, and just putting your seals back in, properly cleaning everything, you know, just tighten everything up real good. Be very careful. And that'll take care of your problem. All right? Pretty simple solution. The biggest thing is cleaning all the crap out from underneath the vanity that the women have under here, because they have about 300 different types of products down here that they never use. Am I correct, guys? Right. So, moving on, I just want to show you another little tutorial here, is the shower drain right here. Okay, these also get clogged with the women's hair. By popping off of this little plate right here, that just pops right up. You guys can get yourself a little drain auger, a hand crank drain auger at the Home Depot, and just run it down into that J-trap, and then just you'll be surprised at all the hair and crap that comes out of that drain. But it's a pretty simple task. Just, you know, some of them have screws in it. You have to unscrew the screws to get the grate off, but you're going to be surprised by all the hair you're going to find down in that drain there. So little quick fix for you guys. So, you know, just, you know, simple little, repairs like this, you know, these drains, you know, they're not really too difficult. You just have to have a little bit of patience, you know, and you want a nice little auger to go down those drains for the showers. So sometimes you have older piping, copper piping, you know, so, you know, just be careful with those older drains. Oh, wait, here's my my progress crew just showed up. Hold on. Taco, would you like to do an inspection? He's always on the job. Fabio, well, he just lays there these days. He could really care less. He's not camera shy. What do you think, guys? Is it time for lunch? Anyway, guys, let me get you back here. Thanks again. Subscribe. We really appreciate all your you know, the input that we're getting for the Q&As, for the Ask Antonios. We're getting a lot of questions from that, trying to keep up with everything. But thank you so much. We really appreciate your support over here at Howl and Hammer. And we got more to come. Like I said, this is a work in progress. A thumbs up. I'm talking too much. That's what I do. All right. Okay. Ciao.